Alright, so this time we're going to talk on operations on functions. Now we have your four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and a new one for functions, which is composition. However, in this video we're not yet going to discuss composition. It will be for another video. Now, the four basic operations on functions are basically the same with how you deal with polynomials or how you deal with the operations on expressions. So let's just say we have the following functions: f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, g of x, let's just say 2x minus 1, h of x at, let's say, 3x plus 1 over x minus 2. Okay, for addition, if you're given f of plus g of x, this is the same as f of x plus g of x. So you just copy. You get 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1. Just like with adding polynomials, we are to combine similar terms. Now 2x squared is alone, so we just copy it. Minus 3x is similar to 2x, so minus 3x plus 2x, you get minus x. 1 plus negative 1, you get 0. So the final answer is 2x squared minus x. Now do take note, you don't have to factor this. This is already acceptable as an answer. Let's try another one. Let's say we have g of x plus h of x. So this gives us 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 1 all over x minus 2. Remember the rule, when adding fractions, we must first find the LCD, or the least common denominator. In this case, the LCD is x minus 2. So we divide it first with the denominator of 2x minus 1. In this case, the denominator is 1. So basically, we're just multiplying x minus 2 and 2x minus 1. Plus, of course, if we divide this, x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, you get 1. So multiply to 3x plus 1, that is simply 3x plus 1. Use the FOIL method. So that is 2x squared minus 4x minus x plus 2 plus 3x plus 1 all over x minus 2. This gives us 2x squared minus 4x minus x, that gives us minus 5, plus 3, that gives us minus 2. So we have minus 2x plus 3 all over x minus 2. In this case, we try first to identify if our numerator is factorable or not. Basically, it's not. It's not factorable. So, this is already the final answer. We can no longer simplify it. Okay, let's proceed with subtraction. So, let's say we have g of x, or minus f of x. So that gives us 2x minus 1 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Alright. In this case, do not forget to distribute the negative sign to all terms in the parentheses. So that gives us 2x minus 1 minus 2x squared, negative times negative again is positive, so that gives us plus 3x, and then minus 1. So if we rewrite minus 2x squared, 2x plus 3x, that gives us 5x, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. So that's your final answer. Okay, how about we deal with multiplication? So we have here f times g. The commonly used symbols when we deal with multiplication is a shaded circle in between, not below, because that would denote a period. So it should be in between the letters, or simply this fg, 2 letters side by side, that would denote multiplication. So f of x times g of x, this gives us 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. So simply use the FOIL method or distributive method. 2x squared times 2x, that gives us 4x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 2x minus 1. So combine similar terms. We start with 4x minus cube minus 2 minus 6, that gives us minus 8x squared plus 5x minus 1. So that's it. You already have your answer. In division, so let's just say f over g of x. This gives us 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 over 2x minus 1. If we're going to observe, is our numerator factorable? Let's see. 2x, then we have x here. So if we use minus 1 and minus 1, this would give us 1. Well, you know, it is factorable. So that is negative 2x minus x, which gives us negative 3x, our middle term. That's why we get 2x minus 1 times x minus 1 all over 2x minus 1. Now, we can cancel 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1, giving us x minus 1 as a final answer. Now, recall that in our previous example, letter B, I did not cancel x. I did not cancel 2. Why? The symbols in between are plus and minus. In this case, the symbol in between the two terms is multiplication. So our first term is 2x minus 1, our second term is x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 times x minus 1. Take note, the operation in between is multiplication, hence we can cancel. Alright, so you end up with that. Last example. Let's just say we have g of x over h of x. This gives us 2x minus 1 all over 3x plus 1 all over x minus 2. Our numerator is this, not just x minus 2. So be careful when dividing. Now, As a rule, in division of fractions, we take the reciprocal of the denominator and then we proceed with multiplication. So we get 2x minus 1 times the reciprocal is x minus 2 over 3x plus 1. So there are no terms to be cancelled. That's why we just multiply 2x minus 1 with x minus 2, whatever's the result, divided by 3x plus 1. So that gives us 2x squared minus 4x minus x plus 2 divided by 3x plus 1. So 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 divided by 3x plus 1. That's it for this video.